Head to your local thrift store and grab a drawer. Then remove the hardware. Next, fill any holes. After that, sand the surface. Then add some paint. Paint a set of legs as well. Then attach them to all four corners. Next, measure or cut a piece of wood to fit the measurements. After that, cut some foam to size. Then, wrap the foam in fabric. Lay down the wood on the foam and staple the fabric to it. Then attach two pieces of wood as a lid stabilizer. This ottoman is totally customizable to fit any space. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need. A thrifted drawer, 4 legs, 4 leg top plates, a drill, a sander or sandpaper, a measuring tape, some paint, some wood filler, fabric, some foam, a piece of wood, and a stapler. I hope this inspires you to create your own customized ottoman. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.